Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Master Tom. So, today we are going to see another important question. Let's see what is that question. Let the PMS, PMS is probability mass function. Here is a mass function. PS B positive at x is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, and 0 as well. P at 0 is 1 by 4 and expectation of x is 1 by 4, then find b at minus 1 and b at 1. Let's see its solution. We know that so p k summation k belongs to z is always 1. Okay, so this implies because this will be minus 1 plus p will be 0 and p is 0 elsewhere, so it is 1. So p at appear 0 is 1 by 4. So this implies p minus 1 plus p1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. P minus 1 plus p1 is equal to 3 by 4. That's it 1. Next, we have Ex is also 1 by 4. But Ex formula is nothing but K belongs to Z, K into Pk is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So this implies minus 1, P at minus 1, 0 into P0 plus 1 into P1 is equal to 1 by 4. So this is minus P minus 1 and this is 0. This is P1. Okay. So what is this? Minus P minus 1 plus P1 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So adding 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get what we get adding 1 and 2. So this is P minus 1, P1 plus minus P minus 1 plus P1 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So this is cancelled out. That is 2, P1 and that is 1. So P1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Subtracting 2 from 1. What we get? P minus 1 plus P1 subtracting 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So what will it is? 3 minus 1, 1 plus 2 minus 1 is minus 2 1 is equal to 2 by 4. Brackets cancel out 2 times 3 minus 1, 2 by 4. 2 will be cancelled out. So 3 is 1 by 4. So this implies 3 minus 1 is 1 by 4 and 3 is 1 by 4. This is the answer. Today's question up to this. If you have any problem, you can comment on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's session. Thank you very much.